If you want to connect a printer to your OPPO Reno 15 Pro, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Next, we're gonna choose Device Connect, and then in here we can find the print option. Now in here we can start by going to default print service, and then over here you should be able, in theory at least, to find your printer over here on this list of available devices. Besides that, you can also use this plus in the upper right corner in case you want to search your printer by IP address or by using Wi-Fi Direct if your printer has Wi-Fi Direct, of course. Now there is a chance that you will not be able to find your printer on this list, and it might be necessary to add additional print service, which usually is made by specific brands or manufacturers of printers. So you want to choose the proper plugin that is adequate to your printer, and then use that plugin to try to connect your printer. And in some other cases, unfortunately, some printers may require you to download very specific apps, and usually it is mentioned in the user manual of the printer. So over there you can probably find some information about connecting a printer to an Android smartphone. Usually this involves using the Play Store and downloading a very specific app. Unfortunately, I cannot really tell you what app you need to download for your printer, because in that case these printers just use very different apps that are made for these printers or a series of printers. So you will have to go to the Play Store and search for that app, and then in that app you probably can just easily connect the printer. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.